Here we introduce ZYX Designer. This AI has been trained on architectural drawings. If you input the floor plan of your desired house on Naver Real Estate, the AI recognizes the floor plan. The extracted data is converted into a 3D model using CG technology. You can even choose the flooring you prefer. When you select a room, the furniture that can be placed in the current room will be displayed with an optimal arrangement, and you can change it to your desired arrangement. Now let's decorate the room once the arrangement is finished. You can decorate the room in diverse styles. You can change it to many different styles such as modern, classic, and cyberpunk. You can see the floor plan of the current room. You can also check the effect of sunlight in this house. You can download it in DXF format, which is a CAD file format. You can view the newly created blueprint immediately in a DXF viewer. And the same blueprint can also be viewed in ZYXCAD. All objects are categorized into layers, allowing you to view only the necessary layers. Launch ZYX Designer on ZYXCAD to proceed. You can check all the features of ZYX Designer on ZYXCAD. Link the drawing to ZYXCAD. You can modify the wall thickness. And the AI recognizes objects in the drawing, converting basic design objects into detailed design objects. The AI recognizes the exterior and interior walls in the drawing and adds insulation. ZYX technology will continue to develop AI services that are user-friendly for CAD users.